Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your dedicated GPU is recognized and drivers are current. This reduces compatibility issues. Once done, close Minecraft and overlays, then add the Minecraft launcher or Java. EXE to graphics settings. Choose high performance for that app so the OS prefers your GPU. You do this now because the system-level selection forces the game to use the faster chip instead of the integrated one. Make sure to save changes and be ready to launch the game next. Next, open your GPU vendor control panel to enforce the setting at driver level. This is more reliable. For NVIDIA, pick Manage 3D Settings and add the launcher, selecting the high-performance processor. For AMD, create an application profile and choose the discrete GPU. Also set power management to prefer maximum performance so clock speeds don't downshift during gameplay. After applying, restart the launcher. This controls how the GPU is chosen and optimizes performance under load in Minecraft. Finally, verify the change by launching Minecraft and using the debug overlay to check renderer and FPS. You should see the discrete GPU name. If frame rates are lower than expected, tweak settings, render distance, particle options, and Optifine profiles to better match your GPU. If Minecraft still uses the integrated chip, reassign the app in both Windows and vendor panels, reinstall drivers, and reboot. As a last resort, check BIOS GPU priority. That fixes stubborn systems that default to integrated graphics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.